Luca, you got stinky head.
Are you ready for your first time to wash your hair? Huh? Are you ready? We're gonna wash your hair. Yeah? Yeah? He's very excited. Can't you see?
Oh yeah. Hey pal, how you doing?
How you doing?
I'm fine, fine.
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh. What was that?
Come again?
Oh.
Let's see his face. Oh, further up. What was that you said?
Oh,
Bless you.
bless you.
What else you got for us? Is that it? Is that enough activity for one day? Yeah?
What enough of this?